Student, today we discuss about mole concept for class 9 CBSE, right? So mole is nothing but a number we have discussed. It is coming from Latin word and the meaning is pile or heaps. Pile or heaps. That is collection of some object. Like in case of fruits, we buy in terms of dozen. And dozen is nothing but the group of 12 pieces. Either it may be banana, oranges or whatever. So for mole or atom or molecule, the particles are so small, so we take this number as a very bigger number and we call it as a mole. And mole is nothing but a number which is 6.022 into 10 raised 23 numbers. If we compare this with the practical situation like banana, somebody asks you to bring banana dozen in terms of dozen, they ask you bring banana 1 dozen. So what does it mean? You have to buy it in terms of pieces, it is 12 pieces. And somebody asks you bring 2 dozen of banana. So how much you will buy? You will buy 12 into 2 numbers, that is 24 pieces. Like this. If somebody says you have to buy 1 mole of banana, so it will mean that we have to bring 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of banana. So this is nothing, mole is nothing but the number. This number is 6.02322 into 10 to the power 23 number. Why we take this much of, this is very large number, why we take so? Because in atom, atom is a very very small fundamental unit of any matter, which is in nucleus it has proton and neutron and outside electron rotating around the nucleus, and this is very very small. And the mass, if you talk about the mass of an atom, suppose it is hydrogen atom, so it has 1 proton and no neutron is not there in hydrogen atom, and 1 electron rotating around. For hydrogen atom, if you consider, the mass of hydrogen atom would be 1.672 into 10 raised minus 24 gram. So you just think it is very very less, very very small mass of any atom. So we call this one unit or atomic mass unit. Sometimes we call atomic mass unit. Okay, so as this number is very small for atomic mass unit, so we call it unit. Instead of saying every time quoting this number, we can say hydrogen have 1 unit mass, and similarly oxygen hydrogen has 1, oxygen has 8 atomic numbers, and that means it has 8 proton and 8 neutron, so we can say it has 16 unit atomic mass. Unit mass or atomic number, atomic mass unit. We express sometimes as U. Similarly, for carbon, it has 6 proton and 6 neutron, so we will say 12 unit or 12U. so you see, these are the elements and it has very small. What does it mean of this unit? So carbon has, one atom of carbon has 12 unit mass. One carbon atom. What does it mean? It means that 12 into 1.672 into 10 raised minus 24 gram. So just you consider, this is the mass and it is divided into decimal up to 24 naught. That means suppose it is 1.6 and 1.4, it is around, it will coming around 1.5 gram and divided by 1.00000 up to 24 places. So just to think, it's a very negligible number, or you cannot, your mind cannot catch this number. So if we want to take some grams of any elements or 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of any elements, then you have to find that some bigger number of presence, some bigger number of molecules or some bigger number of atoms will be present over there, because only small atoms have very less number, very less weight, So in that case, you have to consider that the number we can take mole mass, and mole mass is nothing, as we told, mole is nothing but the number 6.022 into 10 raised 23 numbers of particles. So this number of atoms into one mass of one atom, mass of one atom, right? So in case of hydrogen, we have seen mass of single atom is 1 unit, and so mole mass will be, it is only nothing but the 1 gram. 1 unit, it will be the 1 gram. And it is consist of how much? It consists of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles, groups of particles. It is nothing but the 1 gram of hydrogen atom. Similarly, for any elements, just you have to check with the atomic mass. Suppose hydrogen has atomic mass, it is 1. So mole mass will be 1 gram. This is 1 U. And for oxygen, it will be 16 U. So mole mass will be 16 gram. And for carbon, it will be 12 U and mole mass will be 12 gram, and so on. So mole mass is the nothing but the atomic mass, and consider in gram value, it will be the mole mass, and the number is the same. You see, the number is the same. Why we did not consider this unit atomic mass? Because atom is very small. It is in the range of scale of 10 to the power minus 24 range of scale. So it is very, your mind cannot or your brain cannot calculate this much of it cannot handle this number. So we call it as a unit. Now, it is atomic number. So some of the elements, they may have in molecular form. In molecular form, suppose we can say the mole mass of oxygen molecule. What will be this? We have in oxygen molecule, we know it, oxygen two oxygen atom bonded together to form the diatomic molecule of O2, right? So in this case, oxygen has 16 unit and another oxygen also has 16 unit. So total is how much? It is coming 32 unit for an oxygen molecule, and so mole mass will be nothing but the 32 gram. Mole mass of oxygen molecule. So, and for a compound molecule, for compound, how to calculate, mole mass? For compound, suppose this is H2O. We can say this is water and H2O. H2O having two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Okay, and two hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom has atomic mass is 1, so it is 2 into 1, and oxygen has atomic mass 16. So total coming, it is 2 plus 16, it is 18. So 18 unit is the atomic mass of water molecule. So mole mass will be 18 gram. Mole mass of water will be 18 gram. It is simple. U is replaced by gram. So now you understand, I think. Another example, for a compound, you have to calculate the mole mass. Calculate the mole mass of carbon dioxide. So in carbon dioxide it has carbon 1, oxygen 2 atoms. Number of atoms 1, and atomic mass, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, so it is 2 particles, so it is 12 plus 32, so it is 44 unit as a whole. So mole mass will be 44 gram. Okay? Now, in every mole, we already come to know that in 1 mole, we have the number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. It may be atom, it may be molecules, or it may be ions. And this is number is called Avogadro number. Though he did not discover this number, but for his honor, scientists keep this number as Avogadro number. Now, for some mathematics, some problem we can solve. Suppose somebody can ask, we have 50 grams of water, H2O, calculate number of moles, also number of H2O particles. The question is clear? Calculate the number of mole. Okay. Now, H2O has atomic mass how much? Hydrogen, number of atom is 1, atom 1, oxygen atom, hydrogen atom 2, oxygen atom 1, and atomic mass of hydrogen 1 into 2 atoms, and oxygen as this is 1, sorry, oxygen has 16, so this is 2 plus 16, this is 18 U, and the mole mass of H2O is 18 gram. So what we get in from here? The mole mass of H2O is 18 gram. So mole mass of H2O is 18 gram. Now 1 mole is 18 gram. Now you consider mole is nothing. It is nothing but a bag. You just consider this is a bag like this. In Hindi you sometimes call it botua. So it has the Avogadro number of particles, water molecules. This is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles of water. Its weight is 18 grams. Now, can you say from 50 grams how many this much of bag you can or bucket can be filled up? So this is nothing but the 50 grams divided by 80 grams, because 18 grams every time fills with a one bucket. So this is gram factor. This is 50 by 18. So this is 25 by 9. That is 9 to 18, and 7 is there. So 9 6 are 9 7 are 96 or something like this. It is around 2.65 mole. Clear? Now question 2. Question 2 was, so it is 2.6 around 2.652 moles of H2O molecule. Now the second question was number of H2O particles. Now we know that 1 mole, whether it is banana, 1 mole of banana, 1 mole of orange, or 1 mole of molecule, or 1 mole of atom, these are all, mole is nothing but the number of 6.022 Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of particles. It is nothing but a group of batch of particles, flock of, heart, like pattern, sometimes you say like this. So it's a group of numbers. So Avogadro number of particles in 1 mole, irrespective of anything. You can even consider the galaxy. Galaxy, the number of stars, you can have 1 mole of stars. That means nothing but the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of stars, you can say. So we have here in 50 grams, we have 2.62 moles of water molecules. So we have to say, or we can say like this, so 2 into 2.65 into 6.022 into 10 raised 23 numbers of pieces of, you can say pieces of H2O molecule. So you can just multiply this. It is around, it is coming around 15 into 10 raised 23 around. With some final correction, there is this much of pieces. Similarly, ozone, O3. Suppose we can ask you, we have, 100 gram of O3 gas, ozone gas. Ozone gas is surrounded by the our atmosphere to protect the UV light from the sunlight, and it protects the our earth. So question could be, what will be the number of mole question second, number of O3 molecules in 100 grams O3 gas. So first we have to find the atomic mass of O3. So it has 3 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of oxygen. We have atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So it is a 48 for O3. This is 43 unit. 43 unit. Now 43 unit. So mole mass will be 48 gram. Very simple. So mole mass of oxygen is the 48 gram. So we have 100 grams. So number of moles in 100 grams of 3 molecule, or the molecule will be 100 divided by 48. It will coming around 2.4 moles. Okay, so it is the answer number 1. For number of molecule, then answer number B. Number of molecule is is 2.4 moles, and every mole we know. Again, we recall you. Every mole has how much? Into 6.022 into 10 raised 23 molecules of O3. This will coming around 14 into 10 raised 23 O3 moles. So it is very clear now. So mole is nothing but the number which is 6.022 into 10 raised 23, we call is Avogadro number. Every mole has Avogadro number of particles. Okay, and mole mass is gram value of atomic mass of any substance. Let me remind you again. Mole mass for oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen molecule. If you say the oxygen molecule, then it is 32 unit. So mole mass will be 32 gram. This is atomic mass. For hydrogen molecule, it will be 2 unit, so it will be 2 grams. Carbon dioxide molecule, atomic mass will be 44 unit, and it will be 44 gram. So student, I think you have understood it. Thank you.